Okay, so this was 9 years ago, and it's showing uh, all the. I'm not gonna. I'll take the sound out. It's showing that we had them a few times on the first page. We had the ad, and we had the nice details on the ad, and then in the maps, we had them in there. That's twice, and then we had them uh, on the body right here. This right here, and this right here. So, um, and that's the way it was uh, working. And but sometimes people, uh, I just have I rub people the wrong way. I begged him, hey, I need content, I need reviews, all the stuff, and he wouldn't do it because he thought he knew better. And now, um, if you go to the same place, almost 10 years later, um, he's got one spot here, and that's it. And this is the way it is. I used to have top ranking for Boca Raton real estate, for Vero Beach real estate, for Jupiter real estate, and all the people. If you don't send me, it's not like you just pay me money and then we just make the burrito. It's a thing where you have to work with us. If you give us content and you keep us updated on things, you will get results. If you don't, then I fire you. I'm pretty much done. I don't keep clients that don't work as a team. So this is why. And I have clients that are on the first page of Google, like I just showed you there, throughout the country. So this is for people that are thinking about using this, and then for people that are wondering why I've told them that, hey, if you don't send us uh, uh, pics and videos, and you don't tell us when you're listing a home and when you sold a home, if you're not working as a team, that you will be terminated. If you get that notice, this is why. I only want to work with people that are working as a team. Thanks.